At the front underneath the trailer, you're going to see the approach plate here where the kingpin is connected to the upper coupler. This is where the tractor backs up and engages with the trailer here at their fifth wheel. You'll notice these bars going down the trailer. These are called cross members. You'll want to inspect these for signs of damage or deflection during your pre-trip. Back here is the landing gear, which support the trailer when it is unhooked from the tractor. They have 2 speeds to move the legs up and down. And in the center here, you'll also want to make sure that you inspect your K-brace, as this is another important area. Further down, you'll notice a lot of wires and hoses hanging from underneath the trailer. Electrical is run from the front of the trailer to the back to power the lights, including the ABS light that we discussed earlier. These hoses are providing air from the glad hands back to the brakes so that the trailer can be safely operated. At the back of the trailer, you'll see the bogie. It is connected to the rail and the rest of the box via this clamp and this pin right here. This is an air release valve so that you can easily slide the tandems up and down the rail based on your application or state regulation.